This girl got jokes. ¿También hablo español? Oh, you speak Spanish? Yeah. Mi hablo mucho español. Sí. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Nurse here, bringing you guys a brand new Apex video. Today's video is going to be how to get free RP in Apex Legends. I've been solo queuing to throw out plat to get to diamond. And here's one gameplay where I did like really good with my teammates, and like make sure to pick like the right fights, but not every fights. You know, like play it smart. And yeah, here's a little tutorial on how like get easy RP and rank up solo queuing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out. Why you bullying me? Alright, so the first tip that I'm gonna give you guys is land a spot where you know where the loot is and that you're comfortable fighting in that spot if in case there's a team pulling up to you, and don't take 50-50 fights, because you most likely will get third party or will end up losing. So land somewhere where there's not that much people or nobody and that you're comfortable with.
Don't shoot yet, don't shoot yet.
Yeah.
We gotta get closer.
Which one do you want to kill? Which one? Yeah, I'm down 3. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's go.
Shoot him.
Good shit. She has purple. Yeah, he jumped off.
Yeah, that guy's one shot. That guy right there running around.
Yo, go down. I'm gonna finish that Watson. Alright, another tip you can use is communication. Communication is key in Apex because you need to know, the right callouts with your teammate. Like right here, I could have shot the Watson by myself and probably not kill her as fast as when I shot her with my teammate. So make sure to communicate with your teammates. I'm coming, don't die. Crack one. There's 3 people. Crack one on the roof.
Got one. He's one shot on the roof. I got him.
I'm healing. Yeah, I see him. He's healing inside.
I'm still helping. Yeah, let's get inside. Wait, I think he's on top.
Nah, he's inside. 2nd floor. I think he was outside. Yeah, he just climbed up.
Crack.
Dead.
Nice. Right at someone.
Teammates banner.
More?
I think he just picked up his teammate banner and ran. Here's another tip you guys can use. Make sure to stay healthy in the fight, because staying healthy is the best way to help your teammate out. Because if you push without healing and then you get one tapped by a Mastiff or a Wayman shot to the head, that could throw the game for your teammate. So make sure you stay healthy and don't let your shield get cracked. And also, don't be this teammate that just drops balls deep and dies. Another thing you should do is avoid fights that you don't need to take. Like, I know you want to go for RP and kills, but sometimes it's better to play for placement and wait for the RP later on than, just taking a fight. Just like right now, we decided to avoid that fight so we can, get inside the zone, get a better positioning. Positioning is key in this game because you do not want to get caught in the zone. So try to stay in the zone, like, at all time if you can, and get the better placement. Like, find the right house to pick, Make sure you study the zone as well. The storm is really easy to like predict, like in the first 3 to 4 ring, and then after that you just start doing some. He's gonna land on this house. Alright, another thing that you should do, but might not work all the time, is establish the dominance. What I call it is showing the that you got the bigger PP. Um, it's basically not trying to full kill somebody. I mean, if you can full kill him, go for it. But it's basically establishing dominance. You just push him back from your, you know, playground. It's like you bully people off your playground. Like this, they will like think twice about trying to push you. I don't know if there's people in there though. Have a good stream. I appreciate it, man. No, I don't want to leave. It's okay. Go to sleep. There's people, yeah. We can take this bottom house then. Yo, Pathfinder, come back.
They're up on us.
Crack.
Yeah, he's super low.
Knock. Knock one. Gold crack.
One more.
I think he's on top.
Yeah.
He's one shot. Good shit. Oh, the other team killed him.
They're breaking their fence.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright, move out, move out. Let them take it. Never mind, we're fine here. Alright, another thing you should be doing is set up for the last zone
so we can have armor
So
swaps.
as you can see right now, I'm making sure that we all healthy and we have some armor swap in case what just happened, like a team rolling up on us out of nowhere, we'll be ready for it. And making sure that we all, secure, fence up and stuff like that is basically like a part of setting up for the last zone, so we won't get pushed as hard.
Alright, there's 2 armor swaps here. is completely open.
45 seconds. Rings close.
Alright, another thing that I'm doing right now is recon to like check for the last zone if we in the clear to like take the position to check where we're gonna come when the zone's closing. Like the best legends to do stuff like that is Wraith, Bangalore, and maybe Gibby. Legends that can get away in case they get shot at. Like I like to do recon because I'm good enough with my movements to like run away from a team if I get shot at.
Placing a portal. Heads up. The ring's moving. Portal placed.
Alright, we get him.
I don't have my ult yet. Push up to this tree.
Only 2 other squads left.
I found it right here, cracked.
Hold up.
Yeah, it's fine, it's fine.
There's an armor swap right here.
Last squad, we need to push.
Oh, there. Yep, I'm needing it.
Crack one.
I'm burning all of them. Last one's
Good
cracked.
shit. Ah! My bad, chat.
The Apex champions.
Alright, that's gonna make it for me here. Thank you guys so much for